Hi, my name is Farvardin Daliri, and on behalf of the Townsville Intercultural Centre and Townsville Cultural Fest, I would like to wish you all a happy 2018, and I hope that you're all going to have a great year. I believe that 2018 is going to be a great year for peace, harmony, global sustainability, and international cooperation for the prosperity of the masses of people. Yes, I believe so. So long as there are good people like you who are ready and willing to give a chance to peace and harmony and coexistence, your spirit will lead the world to a better place. And that is what the Cultural Fest is about. A grassroots initiative for the betterment of the society, partnership, and building trust and nurturing fellowship with the spirit of hope, harmony, and celebration and social action for change. The Cultural Fest 2018 will be the best ever, with the promise of increased tourism in the region, employment opportunities, increased community cohesion, and engagement of Townsville youth to express their art and their talents and their stories in a meaningful way and share that with care and responsibility. I firmly believe that the Townsville Cultural Fest, beyond its entertainment and fun value, has a greater role to play in the development of our community and empowerment of people to take action for betterment of our society. Of course, we could have done this far better with the support from local, state, and federal governments. But for now, we depend on our fundraising and your support in whichever way it may come. So on behalf of the Townsville Cultural Fest team and the ambassadors, I would like to thank you for your support and listening to our voice. In a world where the religious, racial, ethnic, political, ideological, and linguistic differences are ripping us apart and sending us to conflict, with your support, we have been able to show a better way and turn around the very same differences to be a means of celebration, joy, and harmony. And as multiculturalism is ever sinking in the quicksands of controversies and cultural divides, we have been able to show a unifying version of multiculturalism. We have been able to work with 250 cultural, religious, art, school, and business groups to present a unifying multiculturalism that no politics can break it into the competing and conflicting pieces. So you need to be congratulated for your support and contribution, without which we could have never achieved our goals. Together, we have opened a new chapter in Australian history. In this chapter, the divisive multiculturalism will phase out, and a unifying multiculturalism with a commitment to one cohesive and unified nation will emerge. And in spite of our success in leading from cultural divisions to unison and cohesion, this not-for-profit community festival has been deprived from government support. But this deprivation does not matter anymore because of your support. Because of you valuable cultural groups, the stakeholders, and the festival ambassadors. because of your moral support from your heart, this festival will continue. And I believe that your moral support is a spiritual currency far more valuable than any financial support, far more powerful than material support. And thank you for that. Like the years before, the 2018 festival has committed to spend $50,000 on the musicians and performers' fees. And this is not a large amount, given the huge number of performers and musicians and acts on the stage. But I hope that we could do more when new sponsors join the festival. For now, only financial support that we are looking forward to is a $20,000 grant from the Queensland state government, for which we are thankful. And this support constitutes 5% of the total festival expenses. And the remaining 95% will be achieved with our fundraising and site fees, and ticket sales at the gate, and your support whichever way it may come to. The major costs of the event includes the artist fees, production expenses such as sound, stage, lighting, technical crews, marquees, toilets, waste management, light towers, generators, fuel, staff wages, fencing, security, labor, TV, newspaper and radio advertisements, printed material, promotional banners, art features and installations, travel, insurance, legal, ticketing costs, transport, IT support, office expenses, and so on and on. But it is important for you to know that how much together we can do for our community. And I believe the process of doing the festival, the way these so many cultural groups and agencies and stakeholders come together to produce this event, is in itself a great achievement, unique in whole Australia. For the details of the history and the struggles and the development of this Townsville Cultural Fest over past 24 years, you can see the book titled The Ghost of Billabong Speaks, which is available online on Amazon. Also, you can get the paperback copies at the office, which will be contributed as a fundraiser to the festival. So I also would like to immensely thank the Townsville Bulletin, the ABC Towing, and the James Cook University for the commitment of the support of the Festival 2018. So I wish you all having a good time, and you will have a great 2018 ahead, and see you all at the Townsville Cultural Fest, August 17, 18 and 19 at the James Cook University. Thank you for listening.